Hello, my name is Paula Mali, and in this video I will explain in 5 simple steps how you can write your OGSM, using a supermarket as an example. So, the first step is to write your objective. You do this in a what by how format. Starting with what you want to achieve, in this case, that is to become the preferred local supermarket chain with a fantastic range of products, by what the main thing is what you are going to do different. What are you going to do in order to get from where you are now to where you want to be? In this case, that is to prioritize local suppliers. This is the how part of your objective. Once you have done that, you turn those more aspirational words like preferred local supermarket chain and prioritizing local suppliers into numbers. You need to ask yourself, what needs to be true to be able to say I am the preferred local supermarket chain in this area. When you have done that, you turn the main how, which is prioritizing local suppliers, into different underlying strategies. Try not to have more than 5 because otherwise it will not fit on one page. Then the next step is to go through the measures. You come up with more detailed measures for the doing and the effect of the doing to measure the progress. Then the last part of your OGSM are your action measures. These are really about the doing. What are you doing to achieve your results? And also here you can write them in a what by how manner. Starting with the result, followed by the actual doing. In order to make your plans more feasible, you can break your actions down in underlying steps. In OGSM software, you can also hide them or show them in a timeline so you can actually follow the progress. It will automatically turn red or green depending on where you are compared to where you want it to be. So this is the end of this short video. We are always prepared to help you out if you have any questions, so please reach out to us if you need any extra help or information. We hope to hear from you soon and good luck with your OGSM.